بني الإسلام على خمسة أركان في الدين: صوم وصلاة وزكاة حج والشهادتين. شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمد رسول الله، إقامة الصلاة، إيتاء الزكاة، وصوم رمضان وحج.
So they're taken to the grave. The body's in the grave. The soul reunites with the body, and he hears the thumping of his companion shoes leaving the grave, and thus begins the ultimate examination, the ultimate test. Where's the HSC now? Where is the degrees? Where is the thesis of the PhD or the masters? That's all balloot. This is the test. This is the test. They say, well, I want my child to get a prestige degree from a prestige university. I want him to be a doctor, a professor, a scientist, when he does not know anything about Islam. Nothing about Islam, but secular, tabarakallah, take your hat off for him. He hears the thumping of his companion's shoes leaving the grave, and then two angels, bluish, blackish, stern angels for severe reprimand, named Munkiru and Nekiru, shake the body. They make him sit upright. Get up. He will sit up in a state of fear, terror, scared. Imagine yourself, guys, sisters, imagine yourself. This is not a fairy tale. This is reality. It's a fact. Imagine yourself on that day. Wallahi, we are going to confront this. Munkiru and Nekiru, we are going to confront them before our very eyes. This is not a fairy tale. This is what's going to happen to all of us. They confront him. Who is your Lord? They will ask him. Who is your Lord? Ah, la adri. I do not know, he says. He doesn't know. La darayta wa la talayt. You do not know, nor did you recite. What is your religion? Ah, la adri. I do not know. Who was the man that was sent amongst you? Oh, I heard someone say such and such, I said him. And then it will be said, you did not know, nor did you read about him, whereby he will be hit with a metal hammer, causing him to scream in severe pain, whereby all creation hears him except man and jinn. And thus the Almighty Lord here answers or announces the test result of this examination from the heavens. My servant lies. Imagine that failure. Imagine your Lord saying, my servant lies. Brothers and sisters, subhanallah, is that what you want to hear in the grave? Your Lord calling out from the heavens, my servant lies. Is that what we want to hear? Wallahi, brothers and sisters, no. Wallahi, brothers and sisters, no. And you have the chance that you can make that answer. My servant tells the truth. You have the ability still until this day, because you're still alive, alhamdulillah. My servant lies. So spread for him, provide for him, furnish him from hellfire, clothe him from hellfire, and open for him a door from hellfire. Thus its heat and fierce hot wind reaches him, and then his grave becomes contracted, constrained, restricted all around him, causing his ribs to break. I don't know if I can do it like this, but not as easy as this, guys. Not as easy as this. Wallahi, brothers and sisters, this is the day to come.